Did you know that by simply mixing dish soap and salt, you can solve a common household problem that almost everyone faces? This easy homemade solution will save you money while keeping your home spotless. To kick things off, we'll need 1 cup of your favorite dish soap. I'm using lavender-scented soap because I love the fresh scent, but feel free to use any type you prefer. Grab a mixing bowl and pour in the entire cup of dish soap. This is the base of our powerful cleaning solution. Here's one of the secret ingredients: 2 tablespoons of salt. This may sound surprising, but salt acts as a natural abrasive, helping to scrub away stubborn stains and grime. The salt also helps break down dirt and grease, making it a powerful cleaner. Stir the mixture thoroughly until it turns into a creamy white consistency. Next, we're going to add water. Using the same cup you used for the dish soap, measure out 1 cup of water. The game changer here is baking soda. Adding 1 tablespoon of baking soda gives the mixture an extra boost. Now that everything is mixed together, pour the solution back into the original dish soap bottle using a funnel. This makes it super easy to use whenever you need it. The mixture is now perfectly blended and ready to tackle stubborn stains and grime all around your house. Comment below with your city. Let's see where everyone's watching from. Let's put this cleaner to the test. First, you can use it on the toilet. Simply pour it around the bowl and scrub with a brush. Tag a friend who needs to try this trick. In just a few minutes, everything is sparkling clean and looking as good as new. It's my favorite cleaning solution because it's so effective. Best of all, you don't need to spend money on expensive cleaning products. With just $2, I made this solution that will last for weeks and can clean multiple areas in my home. But that's not all. This versatile cleaner can be used in so many other places. In the kitchen, it works wonders on sinks that have stains or buildup. Just pour some of the solution around. Do you have a similar hack at home? Please share it in the comments. Comment yes if you're going to try this at home. Scrub with a sponge and watch as everything shines again. Rate this tip from 0 to 10. I'd love to know what you think. This cleaner also works perfectly on bathroom sinks, leaving them spotless and smelling fresh. You can use it on nearly any surface in your home, and it works like a charm. I hope you found this cleaning recipe helpful and easy to follow. It's a game changer for cleaning without spending a lot of money. Try it out and let me know how it works for you. I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments. God bless you all, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow with another amazing tip.